Hey guys, welcome back again. Today back with a serious topic like a DLL file missing error in Windows PC. So today I'll show you how to fix all DLL missing file error in your Windows PC. For this you need to go to Google, and in the Google just type Microsoft Download Center and go through the first link. Open the first link, and here in the search box just type DirectX end user runtime web installer. Okay, after this just hit enter or click on search icon. So you will get direct link of DirectX file, so you can download from here. If this not work, you can download from any other website. So do the Google to download this DirectX. So I have already downloaded. So after you download, you will get this setup file. Just double click on this setup file. Okay, and click on I accept, next, and Bing I don't want. Okay, uncheck and next. So after you click on next, it will start to installing all missing or all DLL files, as you can see here. So it's installing all DLL file including your missing files. So it will install all DLL files. After this just finish it. Okay, this complete successfully. So after this click on finish and reboot your system. Hopefully this will help you and refix your problem. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much once again.